Hi there, Brian from JAJ Pyrex again. Mackie and I are back for another unboxing episode. Still in lockdown situation with the coronavirus, and so another purchase from a popular auction website. So let's get going, Mac. Come on. So our last one we did, I had got a hot beverage set from the early 1970s. It was really cool, and we already have from the 1950s, the three-piece beverage set that I showed before in a different video. So I was inspired by that to see. I'd seen another set similar to that. This kind of in between, kind of 60s era one, and I figured to have the three sets in my collection would be really nice. So I saw this one, and the price was just right. I'd seen other ones going for a lot more. Actually saw a really nice one that had the original box too, but I didn't get that one. But I did get this, so I'll start to unpack it. Oh no, I think tragedy struck. Yep, this is what happens. Look here. No, Mackie. No. Oh, Mackie, stay back. Yep. It's the sugar bowl too. Mackie, watch out. Yeah. The glass sugar bowl, which is a crucial part of the set, is shattered. So I'll take a photograph of that and send it back to the shipper, and maybe I'll get a credit or something. But that's a shame. Oh well. The problem with those is you rarely see a piece like that just on its own somewhere, unless you're really, really lucky to see it sitting in a charity shop or something, you know. But you'd have to know exactly what it looks like and be on the lookout for it all the time. Now, this set actually came with a few of the drink-up cups as well to match. So here's one, let's see. So I'll try to get these unwrapped quickly. Now it's a color I don't have. See, it's this sort of gray color, which is really cool. I have a lot of the drink-up colors, but I don't have that color. And this matches this set. It might have come with it. I'm just not sure. I haven't seen them before. And the full set's coming with the cups. Haven't seen the packaging. There's another one. There's 4 cups. So these are the little 7-ounce drink-up cups. No, there should be one more in there somewhere. There we are. So yeah, the full set of them with the JAJ logo on the bottom of them. Yeah, and the JAJ logo on the bottom of that. Can you see anyone on that, Marie? See that? No? Okay. Drink ups. Really nice. Now, get into the nitty gritty of it here. Unfortunately, well, here, we'll get the tray out. I see it here. It's really nice. Heavy duty plastic. It's probably, it feels like it's, well, I'm not sure what kind of plastic that is, but it's pretty heavy. Pretty durable. So that's what it looks like there. I'll put the cups there. So it's got the warming stand that you put the candle into, and the 2 places for your sugar bowl and the smaller jug. Milk jug usually. So let's see. So here's the smaller one. Again with the JJ logo on the bottom. And it's got the nice stainless around it and the really neat handle. So that would sit here, and then your sugar bowl. We won't talk about that. And then the main coffee pot here. Oh, what's that? There's a little filtery thing there. So I'm not sure if that goes with that. It must, yeah, it must hook in here. Let's set that on here. Yeah, see the stainless steel lip around it? Whereas the 70s one was all plastic at the top. This one has stainless around it. And then it has this little filter job that goes into this, I guess. That's what I thought. Put clips in there so you can strain in case you have tea or something, or coffee grounds. So I can see what clips on there. Somehow. Oh well, we'll sort that out later. Anyway, I will have to get them all together, the 3 sets, and line them up and do a little video about that and try to replace that sugar bowl somehow. Thank you very much for unpacking this box with me.